Welcome to 217 Eden View Drive. Get your own lake house in Hoover, Alabama for under $500K.
With 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 3,000 square feet and 92 feet of shoreline, you are going to love this lake home. Let's check it out. Our absolute most favorite part of this house is the natural lighting and the openness. Have a nice day out on the back porch or just sit by the couch and relax.
This basement is day lit, where you can look right out the window and see the water. You can also walk out the door to the water. It's huge and perfect for activities
Like running.